Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to contact Roblox Support. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser. Once on the internet browser, you are going to search for Roblox Support. In here, you will see the first link that says support-roblox. Then, just tap on the link. In here, to contact them, all you have to do is input the details coming in from your username, your first name, your email address, and then you will have to confirm your email address once again. The important thing here is that you will fill up all the information needed for support.roblox.com to fully contact you and know your problem or issue. Once you're done filling up your information, all you have to do this time is you will need to scroll down over at the website. Once you scroll down, you will see a description box wherein you can input what is the description of your issue. It's very important that you be very clear and concise with whatever your support need is. And once you're done, click on the submit button below. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.